All right, I'm Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute. It is now June 8th, 2022, and I'm sitting here with a patient who came here to have his back pain and leg pain eliminated at the Deuk Spine Institute, and we did that just yesterday. How do you feel today?
I feel wonderful. I've not been free of this pain for more than 20 years. I had this pain for more than 20 years. And after I came out of the OR in recovery and regained consciousness, I actually wept because I had not been pain-free in that long.
Yes, and weeping, for those who don't know, means crying. And those are tears of joy, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And how did you find out about the Deuk Spine Institute?
Oddly enough, I drove by your place. I live just down the road, and I just take this road as opposed to taking Wickham, for example, and happened to drive by the place, said, oh, that sounds interesting. And I looked into it, and I've had a couple of facet procedures here. And then before I decided to go for the Deuk laser spine surgery.
So I know you work locally for a software engineering company. And how long have you lived and worked in this area? How many years?
This is going on my 8th year, since 2016.
And you've had back pain?
No, sorry, 6th year.
6 years. So you've had back pain 20 years. You've been in the area for 6 years, and you didn't know about us, unfortunately. And that's the problem, is there's many people out there suffering with daily back pain coming from a herniated disc or bulging disc, leg pain, and they live with it believing there's no cure to their pain. There's no treatment that works. What would you say to those people?
Come get the surgery. Get evaluated and come get the surgery. I spoke with two different, before I came here, I had gone through steroid injections, rounds of PT over and over again. Nothing did any lasting relief. It would just, pain would come back again in short order. So it was just always something I lived with. When I first moved here, it started getting worse and having pain down the legs. I looked into some neurosurgeons. They basically said there was nothing we could do for you.
Yeah.
And then I came here, had those the facet procedures and blocks, and decided to take it to the next step.
Yeah, so you're touching on some good points. So number one, you had an MRI. You can actually see some of the MRI right here. He had these disc bulges, and then they did get worse over time, but a lot of surgeons look at those and say, there's nothing I can do for you. And patients then believe they have to live with that pain and just go to pain management. But anytime you have a disc bulge or a disc herniation, it's fixable. We fix it with the Deuk laser disc repair. You can see right here that we went in with the laser, and we used the laser to clean up the tears. You had tears in both discs, L45 and L5S1, and the laser debrided the herniation out of the tear, and that's why your pain is gone today. It's really about inflammation. You know, herniated discs, annular tears, bulging discs, it's all inflammation in the back of the disc where the tear is. And that's what we discovered at Deuk Spine Institute is the cause of the back pain. And that's why we're able to fix it when other surgeons are not able to fix it, because they have no clue what's causing your back pain. All right, and pain management's never gonna fix that. So we tried some conservative treatment, facet blocks and things first. It didn't work. We knew the discs were the problem. And in the end, you ended up having the Deuk laser disc repair. Are you happy with your results?
Absolutely. It's the day after, and I can walk around without that pain. I don't have the pain in the back. I don't have the pain on my leg. I was actually able to walk 20 minutes, which I couldn't do before. I walked more than 20 minutes, in fact. I couldn't walk more than 5 minutes on a hard surface without my back pain getting worse. That is not a problem anymore. That's more than enough for me right there.
How much of your preoperative back pain do you have today?
None.
So it's gone?
Oh yeah.
Cured?
Definitely.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to say to anybody out there?
Get it done if you can. Fly down for a couple of days, get it done, and go home. I'm recovering. This is my second day. This is literally less than 24 hours after my surgery, and I was able to drive myself here for my post-operative visit to make sure everything's going well. I would definitely recommend it. Compared to the alternative of being in pain or getting yourself fused or something like that, I wouldn't do it. I would do this instead.
Absolutely. Nobody wants screws and rods in their backs. It's pretty invasive surgery and lots of complications. All right, well, congratulations. Go on and enjoy your life.
Thank you again.
All right.